Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this and really excited to show you this car. This is the 2006 Jaguar S-Type 4.2R Supercharger. And it is absolutely outstanding, pristine condition, totally pristine. Now, these are a really rare car now, especially with only 48,000 miles on it. It's the final edition of the S-Type in terms of styling. It's the full facelifted car. It's in liquid silver, which is absolutely gleaming and unmarked. And when I say unmarked, I mean unmarked. There's no corrosion. There's not a chip on it. We've been all over this car. There's no scuffed door mirrors. There's no scuffed bumpers. There's no dents. There's no marks, scrapes, off-colour panels or anything. It is absolutely mint. And of course it comes with the unique S-Type R front bumper, the mesh grille, R badge, as you can see from the front. The lights on the car aren't cloudy, they're just absolutely pristine. You will have to excuse, however, these little black marks all over the car. The little flies, and since we brought it outside after this thunderstorm we've had this morning, they seem to be all over it, which is disappointing really. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what they were, in case some of you you guys with trained eyes have spotted the little black marks. There is no chips on it, there's no marks. All the panels fit properly. It's fully HPI clear. There's no corrosion on it. As you can see, there's no corrosion on the wheel arches, on the bottoms of the doors. They're absolutely pristine. No front wheel arch corrosion. There is no corrosion on this car whatsoever. It's, like I say, finished in gleaming liquid silver with charcoal, full charcoal leather. Rear boot spoiler, full-sized, right-shaped rear number plate, correct badges. The car has got a sports Jaguar performance exhaust system on it, which is not too loud. It just is just the right sound. It just enhances this fantastic supercharged V8 sound. So let's have a quick look in the boot. Like I say, these flies are a bit of a blooming pain really, but anyway. Absolutely pristine inside the boot, all round the boot. Lid itself, absolutely pristine. In all the channels, perfect. But yeah, that's the boot. This has been wrapped in cotton wool, this car. You can just tell it's just absolutely like as if it's just come out of the factory. I mean, it literally is. No cracks in the rear lights. They're all fantastic, gleaming away there. We put brand new centre caps in the wheels. We had all the wheels refurbished, not because of damage, but because they just look dull. So they are the Vulcan wheels, which the supercharged cars have. But they've been done in shadow silver. They are 18-inch. And as you can see again there, and the bumpers and the wheel arches, apart from these silly flies all over it, it's absolutely pristine. This is the very best example of an S-Type R in the country. I just know it is. As Jaguar and Daimler specialists, been doing this job for 30 years this year. I can honestly tell you, there won't be another car as mint. So if you're wanting one of these cars to use, to take to shows, to put away as an investment, as they are increasing in price all the time, then this is the car to do that with. You will not find a better one of these in the whole country. And you're welcome to come down and prove me wrong, but you won't. Let's just have a look inside the car. These silly flies. You see all in the door jambs, absolutely mint. Inside's absolutely mint. Headliner's lovely. Leather's all taut, no marks on the aluminium trims. As you can see here, Absolutely mint. Bit of dust there. It's got satellite navigation. It's got heated front seats. It's got radio CD. It's got air conditioning, which I can guarantee you is ice cold. It's got automatic lights, auto wipers, cruise control. Sliding armrest with the cup holders underneath. It's got the full handbook pack. It's got the beefy thick leather steering wheel. It's got memory seats, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. It's also got electric seats at the front, both sides. It's had a full service from us. As you can see in there, absolutely mint. Doesn't look like it's done a mile down the road, does it? Lovely thing. I can't rave on enough about this car, because it's just, in this condition, it is just so rare. So rare. We've never seen another one. We certainly won't be able to replace this. So if you are out for an absolutely mint one of these, because they do drive absolutely mint, then this is the car for you. It's even got the original navigation system disc there from Jaguar, and the little cover that it came with. Really, really lovely thing, this. Yeah, it drives absolutely fantastically. It'll go out with a full 12 months MOT, which is done independently up the road from us. We don't do the MOTs. We get them done independently, so you've got peace of mind. But it has been fully checked over. The only thing we found is that it wanted two anti-roll bar two rear anti-roll bar drop links. We put those on. We fully serviced it. And that's all that there was to do at it. I'll just give you another quick, very, very slow walk round. As you can see, no marks on the bumpers apart from these silly black flies. It's got rear parking sensors. All the black window frames, no corrosion, no marks, no damage. No corrosion on the arches. And go as close up as you want, because you won't find anything. No damaged edge of the driver's door where it's been knocked against anything, nothing like that. No scratches underneath the door handles. It's had a full ceramic coating. It's had recent new discs and pads all round, and the tyres are like brand new. They look like they've not long since been fitted. It's been really, really well taken care of, this car. Anything it's needed, it's had. And what I will do for you, I've got the keys in my pocket, which it has 2 remote keys, as you can see, a Jaguar key fob, two remote keys, and obviously it's got a spring-loaded leaping cat on the bonnet as well. It's got full service history. It's got full handbook pack, which is in my office upstairs. Let's just start it up. It is cold. It's just been brought out of the garage. We're going to put it in the showroom shortly. So it's still on choke. Let's rev it slightly. Come off the choke in a second and be like whisper quiet, really. Start coming down now. It's just cold, you see, coming off the choke. So you get a lovely, lovely, lovely noise from the Sport Jaguar Performance exhaust. This isn't intrusive into the cabin. It just sounds just right. We've done a few miles in this car to make sure everything was all in order. Like I say, the air conditioning works absolutely perfectly, ice cold. We just wanted to check out, make sure everything was working and the car drove perfectly, and it does. It drives absolutely perfectly. It'll blow a test, just breeze through, no problem at all, an MOT. It's going to be located in our showroom in a minute after I've finished this video, and it's available to view. So again, as most of you folks know now, the telephone number is 07759 938 395. If you've got interest in this car and you're a serious buyer, please get in touch. Or you're a classic car collector or a Jaguar enthusiast club member and you're interested in purchasing the car, please get in touch with us and we'll go through all the finer details that we haven't been able to cover on this video. Also, as you can hear now, it's absolutely perfect. I'll move to the front, so listen to that. Lovely, lovely engine. So smooth. Gearboxes are so smooth. And as you can hear, it's coming down now off the choke and it's warmed up. At 70 miles an hour, just serene is the cabin, but you've got that nice little burble when you put your foot down. Just a brilliant combination, really. Performance, sound, comfort, smoothness, refinement, all the little bits of equipment on there that you need and require. Yeah, what a machine. Email address to get in touch is sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com, and Malton is spelt M-A-L-T-O-N. Please get in touch. The price of this car, we're advertising it at $16,995, and that is exceptional value for money for a car in this just exquisite condition. And I look forward to showing people around this car because they just won't believe their eyes when they see it. Now, an XJ, a X308 XJ R, in the same condition with the same mileage, I mean pristine condition, not average, pristine condition, are 20 grand now. So these cars are a little bit behind, but they will soon realise their potential and they'll be at 20 grand. So buy one now while they're still affordable, because these are going to be so sought after. They're a traditional looking Jaguar and they're a performance car which were made in relatively small numbers compared to normal S-types. So yeah, that's it. I'm really pleased to have showed you the car. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please get in touch if you are interested in this car and you want to come and see it. It'll be in our showroom this afternoon. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your day.